learning things that I need to apply in order to be successful. And once I get a hold of it, it was game over. I'm telling you. Imagine working 4 hours a day and making over $35,000 in less than 6 months. Sounds too good to be true, right? That is exactly what I did. In this video, I'm gonna break down how I use door-to-door sales to make appointment for windows, doors, and roofs, and how I earned a solid commission just working a few hours a day. Let me see. I've been in sales like for 2 years now, and I can tell you, door-to-door marketing was my bread and butter. Today, I'm gonna share the exact strategies that I used and that helped me consistently make money. Even if you're just getting started, it can help you too. The key to setting an appointment is all about your pitch. I found that simplicity and confidence win the day. My go-to line was, hello, we're gonna be in the area for the next few days. We're helping some of the homeowners getting some projects done. I'm assuming you're the homeowner, right? And then they will tell me, yes, they are the homeowners. As you can see, we do have some technicians in the area. They've been helping some of the homeowners to get projects like windows, doors, and roof replacement done. And we're gonna have a couple technicians giving free consultation over the next couple of days. If you don't mind me asking for you guys in the future, what would you say is more of a priority? And it always worked like a charm. It's not just about word, it's your energy, You speak with confidence, you smile, you make the person feel at ease, like you show them that you're there to help them. Don't sound like you're selling something, because 99% of the time it won't work. Instead, you are offering them a valuable opportunity. Of course, not everyone says yes right away, but don't worry, I got you covered. Here are some objections that I run into all the time and how I handle them. No, I'm not interested. I understand we're not selling anything. Like I said, we're just passing on information to help some of the homeowners getting projects done. And I noticed that you had a similar situation to one of your neighbors that we're helping. I don't know if you know John. He's been having same issues with his windows, and I see that you guys have similar windows to the ones that we're replacing for him. So while we're here, we're trying to kill two birds with one stone. So kind of make sure that everybody get the information and how the county is helping some of the homeowners getting this job done, because there's a lot of programs out there that are making it possible. That's why you see a lot of the homeowners are doing it around this time. Another one would be, no, I don't have time. No problem. We are very flexible. We're a family-owned company, so we know how things are. So we usually make it work for the homeowner. Or you guys more like morning, afternoon, or evening people? Or is it the weekend for you more, or weekdays? So you find a date and time that works for everybody, and then you set up the appointment. Or they will tell you, oh, I already have someone. It could be a friend, it could be a family member. Oh, that's awesome. Intelligent people, they make educated decisions, right? Even if you have somebody that's gonna do it for you, you would really want to have a second opinion, so you can just compare to see, what's out there, so you can make at the end of the day, it's your home, you want to make the best decision, and I'm pretty sure that's something that you want to do once, right? We're gonna have somebody out there tomorrow whole day anyway. Or you're more like a morning person, afternoon, or evening. You find a date and time, like I said, and most of the time it works. Now let's talk about how I only work 4 hours in a day. I wasn't out there knocking on random doors all day. No, that's not me. A lot of areas that we work, a lot of these homeowners, they come in from work around 5:30 ish, 6 p.m. So this we consider it to be prime hours. That's where you get to talk to most of the homeowners, usually, because you don't want to just be knocking on doors and talking to people who has no say when it comes to making decision for the house. So you want to make sure that you're being efficient. So one of the way to do that is to use prime time, which is around 5:30, 6:30, all the way till 7, sometimes 8, because that's when most people are home, back from work. And also, if you want to be successful, Saturday mornings, I can tell you, people, they are home, they're relaxing and all that. So if they're not taking their kids to practice or anything, usually in the morning, 10 a.m., that's a good spot. For me, the real secret to my success was consistency. For me, I have a fake accent and all that, so a lot of things were new for me. So I had to put extra work in comparison to my peers. When people were coming to the office sometimes a little bit late, I would come a little bit 30 minutes early, just so I can make sure I'm on my leads. I'm learning things that I need to apply in order to be successful. And once I get a hold of it, it was game over. I'm telling you. So what I did is I stuck to my routine every day, even when I had hard days, like I was getting a lot of no's. What I did, I stick to what I learned, because it's just a numbers game. The more people you talk to, the higher your chances of getting a yes. I also kept track of all my appointments in a simple notebook. In case something happened, I can just call and find out. Sometimes people, they have emergency, life happens, right? So I would check on them, making sure that, okay, they're still available, everybody's going to be there for the appointment, so they can have that free consultation and make the best decision for themselves. And if it happens that they need to reschedule, there's some cases that it took me a couple of weeks to reset an appointment. And a lot of time when you stay on these, it works. Like I said, it's a numbers game. So the more people you talk to, the higher the chances. There's something we call the law of average. Let me know if you guys want more details. We can always go and talk about these things. But it's just like, if you're talking to people, you just need 1 yes or 2 that day. It will change your life. So let's talk about money. Most of the time I've worked on commission. So for every successful appointment that sold, it depends on the company. Certain company will pay you 3%, 5%, and some company will pay you all the way up to till 15 or 20%. So imagine the average ticket price is $17,000, $20,000 for a job. So imagine you're making between 5% all the way to 15%. So you just need like 1 or 2 sales like to make like over $3,000 in a moment. In one day you can hit that. It depends. So the more people you talk to, the more appointments that you got set, the most likely you get to make more money. By consistently hitting my targets, because I set up a weekly target, I need to have this number of appointment sets. By consistently hitting that numbers, I was racking up money. It's not rocket science, but it does require strategy and consistency. So that's how I did it. $35,000 in a short period of time by just working 4 hours or less a day. If you want to learn more how to thrive in a sales or marketing environment, you want to improve your pitch and all that, comment in below and let me know what you want to learn, and I'll be more than happy to cover it and give you some of my tricks that I've used and that have helped me make some money. Hit that subscribe button and drop a comment. If you want to learn how to face those rebuttals, because there's a lot of them. If you want to learn how to react when it comes to those rebuttals and get these people backed in, I'll be more than happy. I've done it. Like I said, it's not rocket science. If you learn the trick, you apply it. I've got tons of practical advice coming your way. So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe if you're watching, and share this video to your friends and family as well so they can make some money. Ciao.